Hello everyone. So today's LeetCode challenge is maximum length of repetitive subarray. So here in which we have given with two arrays of num1 and num2, and we have to find the maximum length of a subarray. Like here, as you can see, the number 1 is 1 2 3 3 2 1, and the num2 is 2 3 1 4 7. So here, as you can see, the 3 2 1 and the 3 2 1 in num1 and num2 is common. So it is a subarray of both, and the maximum length of it is 3. So let's jump into the code and see how it's gonna work. So here in a code, what we're gonna do, we convert the number 2 into the string. So num2 underscore string equal to empty space dot join character of I for I in nums2. So it will return the string of number 2. We also create a maximum string. So max underscore string equal to empty string, and we declare result. So result equal to 0. Now we iterate through the number 1 list. So for I in nums of 1, and we append the ith character of number 1 to our max string. So max string plus equal to character of character I. So after that we check if our max string is in number 2 string. So for that, if max string in numbers 2 underscore string, then what we gonna do, we return result equal to max of our result and len of max string. And if max string is not in number 2, else we ignore the first character of max string. So max string equal to max string 1 column. So what it gonna do, it returns the list without first character, and then we return the result. So return result. Now let's try to run it, and here as you can see our output is 3. Now let's try to copy the code to the site. So let's try to run the code. Run, and our code get accepted. Let's try to submit it. Submit. So our code gets submitted. Here is a code. Thank you for watching. See you soon.